Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve class 10 maths exercise 6.3 question number 1. So in question number 1 we have state which pair of triangle in figure 6.37 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So in each questions given two figure and from this two figure we will check whether this two figure is similar or not. So from this two figure I can write here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC means triangle ABC and triangle PQR. PQR. From this two triangle, I will compare now the angle. So here in angle A we have 60 degree and in angle P we have 60 degree. So from this two figure, I can write angle A equal to angle P. So right here angle A equal to angle P and the angle is 60 degree. So right here equal to 60 degree. Now angle B equal to angle Q. So here also we have 80 degrees. So I can write here angle B equal to angle Q equal to 80 degree. And angle C equal to angle R. Here we have 40 degree and here also we have 40 degree. So I can write angle C equal to angle R. So write angle C equal to angle R equal to and value is 40 degree. So right here 40 degree. So after writing this, now I can write directly that these two triangle ABC and PQR are similar with each other. So right here therefore triangle ABC similar with this triangle PQR by angle similarity criterion. So I can write angle similarity criterion. So based on this angle I can say or I can write therefore triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR by angle similarity criterion. Now we will solve for question number 2. So in question number 2 given triangle ABC and PQR. So I'll write here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. But in this question number 2, angle value not given but side given. So side ratio I will compare now. So I can write from this two triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB by QR equal to, so AB value of AB is 2, so right here 2 and QR value is 4. So I will check the side ratio now here. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2. AB by QR equal to 1 by 2. Give this equation number 1. Now another ratio I will check. So I can compare this BC side with this PR side. So BC by PR equal to, so VC value is 2.5. So right here 2.5 and PR equal to 5. So right here 5. Now this also I can cancel 2.5 1s are 2.5 and 2.5 2s are 5. So I can write here 1 by 2. Give this equation number 2. This equation number 1 and this equation number 2. Now only one side left from these two triangles. So remaining sides I will compare. Means CA by PQ. CA by PQ. CA by PQ. This is the longest side and this is the longest side. So these two sides I can compare. So CA value of CA is 3. So right here 3 and PQ value from that figure I can see 6. So right here 6. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So here I have got 1 by 2. So give this equation number 3. Now you check equation number 1, 2 and 3. So here I have got the same ratio. Now I can write from equation number 1, 2 and 3. Means from equation number 1, 2 and 3. This side's ratio I have got equal 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So now I can write from equation number 1, 2 and 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3. I have got the same ratio, means AB by QR equal to 1 by 2, BC by PR equal to 1 by 2, CA by PQ equal to 1 by 2. Means I can write, therefore AB by QR equal to BC by PR equal to CA by PQ, or equal to 1 by 2. So therefore AB by QR equal to BC by PR equal to CA by PQ equal to 1 by 2. Means I have got the same ratio. So I can write, therefore triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR by side similarity criterion. Now we will solve for this question number 3. In triangle LMP and triangle DEF. So from this two figure I can write LM by DE, LM by DE, and the value of LM is 2.7 and DE is 4. So give this equation number 1. MP by MP by EF, and the value of MP is 2 and EF equal to 5. So right here 5. So give this equation number 2. And now the third side PL. So right here PL by FD, means FD. You write here FD equal to, and the value of PL is 3. So right here 3. And FD value already given in the figure 6. So right here 6. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 2. So give this equation number 3. Now from equation number 1, 2 and 3, LM by DE is not equal to MP by EF is not equal to PL by FD. So this ratio not equal with each other. So I can write LM by DE not equal to MP by EF not equal to PL by FD. Right here, therefore, triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Now we will solve for this question number 4. So in question number 4 given triangle MNL and triangle PQR. From these two triangles we will check whether these two triangles is similar or not. So right here in triangle MNL and triangle QPR. In these two figure given one angle, this angle and this angle equal with each other, and also given the side value. So these two sides value also I will compare, and this angle also I will compare. So I can write here MN by QP equal to ML by QR, and angle M equal to angle Q equal to 70 degree. Therefore, triangle MNL similar with triangle QPR by side angle side similarity criterion. Now we will solve for question number 5. So in question number 5, given A, B, C and D, E, F, these two triangle from, I will compare angle and also I will compare side ratio. So write in triangle ABC and triangle EEF. So write here AB by FD equal to AB value from this figure. AB means 2.5, so write here 2.5, and FD means 5, so write here 5. 2.5 1 is 2.5 and 2.5 2 is 5, so write here 1 by 2. Give this equation number 1. And BC, so write here BC by DE, BC by DE, so can write here BC by DE equal to BC value. So BC means 3, so write here 3 by DE. So DE value not given in this figure, so write as it is. So give this equation number 2 and write now CA by EF. CA by EF. CA value of CA, we don't know the value of CA, so write the CA as it is, by EF. EF means 6, so write here 6. Give this equation number 3. And also you compare the angle. Here angle A and angle F are equal with each other. So write here angle A is equal to angle F equal to 80 degree. So give this equation number 4. So write now from equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I can write here AB by FD is not equal to BC by DE is not equal to CA by EF. AB by FD is not equal to BC by DE, not equal to CA by EF. So I can write therefore triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Means these two triangles are not similar with each other. Now we will solve for question number 6. So in question number 6 we have two figure DEF and PQR. So from these two figure we will compare the angle and we will check whether this two figure is similar or not. But here one angle is missing. First I will find this missing angle from these two figure. So right here in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal to 180 degree. If I will do plus this angle and this angle, 3 angle, then it will become 180 degree, because this is the sum of angle of a triangle property. So write here angle D value given 70. So write here 70 degree plus angle E means 80 degree. So write here 80 degree plus angle F equal to 180. So 70 plus 80 is 150. So this 150 you take right hand side. So keep here only angle F equal to 180 degree minus 150. When you will do plus this two angle, then you will get 150. So 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree, means angle F equal to 30 degree. So write here angle F equal to 30 degree. Now I will find this angle P from this triangle PQR. So write here in triangle PQR. So same property I will use here also. Angle P plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. So angle P value you don't know, so write as it is. Angle Q means 80 degree, so write here 80 degree plus angle R means 30 degree, so write here 30 degree equal to 180. So write here angle P. Now do plus this angle 80 and angle 30. When you will do plus angle 80 plus angle 30 is 110. Now this 110 I will take right hand side. So here we have 180 degree. Now plus if I will take right hand side, then become minus. So 110 means 80 plus 30 is 110. So 110, when you will take right hand side, then it will become minus. So 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. So right here 70 degree means angle P equal to 70 degree. Now I can write from these two figure here angle D equal to angle P comma angle E equal to angle Q and angle F equal to angle R. Means angle D equal to angle P. Means angle D value and angle P value I have got here. Angle P also 70 and angle D also here given 70 degree. And angle E equal to angle Q. So angle E also 80 degree and angle Q also 80 degree. And angle F equal to angle R. Angle F also 30 degree and angle R also 30 degree. Means I can write these two triangles are similar with each other. Therefore, triangle DEF similar with triangle PQR by angle similarity criterion.